And since I am dead, I can take off my head.
Yeah.
Hello, my gorgeous, beautiful, wonderful queen bees. It is your girl Amanda, the Buzz Artist. Welcome back to my channel, a place where you can let loose and just have fun with your acrylic paint. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be paying homage to the greatest Halloween, yes, this is a Halloween movie, ever made in the history of mankind, The Nightmare Before Christmas. Also, comment below if you think The Nightmare Before Christmas is a Christmas movie or a Halloween movie. Answer wisely. This timeless tale by Tim Burton combines all of the wonderful elements of dark, spooky Halloween, and I just absolutely love the aesthetic. And up until a couple years ago, I didn't realize that this movie actually came from a book. Introducing the Nightmare Before Christmas book. This has the cutest illustrations. I absolutely love how detailed this entire book is. As I was perusing the cover, I came upon one scene, famous scene with Jack looking out onto the twisted hill over a patch of pumpkins. So I decided, let's paint that and in some way give back to the beauty that is this book and film. So I'm going to be showing you how to recreate that scene onto a canvas using your acrylic paints, okay? So grab your supplies and grab your canvas and come meet me. I'm going to show you exactly how to make this. Okay, everybody, you're now going to take our Sharpie, start to do our line work. Here we go. Now it's time to paint! Now we're gonna do some stars. And congratulations, my queen bees, on making your very own perfect Nightmare Before Christmas Halloween scene. I am in love with this. I love the mixed media, and it's just a really great way to spice up the decor in your house, especially if you love the Nightmare Before Christmas. So if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please be sure to give it a like and to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button, you know what to do, so that you can see more fun tutorials from me to you in the future. Alright everyone, remember, love yourselves and always have fun with your acrylic paint. See you all next time. Bye!